Thinking about a trike, but don't want to get rid of the Harley you already have? For 20 years, Frankenstein Trikes has been helping thousands of riders just like you gain the comfort, safety, and freedom of a trike. Without sacrificing the bike they've been riding for years. With the Frankenstein Trikes rear-end conversion kit, bolt-on installation is a breeze. No welding, no frame cuts, no cut corners. Just good old-fashioned American engineering, delivered straight to your door from the Frankenstein Trikes HQ in Pleasanton, Kansas. Their dedicated support staff is here to help you every step of the way. No robocalls, no AI, no foreign call centers here. Thousands of riders over 50 have already made the switch. Whether it's for safety, confidence, or just more time on the road, this is freedom made simple. Don't let age or balance stop you from riding. Our trike kits are built to last, easy to install, and trusted by thousands of riders nationwide. Visit us at www.frankensteintrikes.com to start creating your monster today.